Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today my topic of this video is the best strategy for e-commerce businesses that are doing Facebook ads. So in this video, I am going to discuss what is the best strategy for the e-commerce ads and how you can get the best results. So right now, I am putting the ads for some of the businesses, and this strategy is working very good for me. So simply, whenever you are going to create the ads, I always recommend first of all create website traffic ad first, and after creating the ad, simply you can do the two things. First thing, you can let it run as it is, or the second thing, you can pause that ad and get its post ID. So how you can get the website traffic ad that is published, how you can get that ID? Simply you can go to the ad level and simply click on the edit button. And from here, this is the option, just add preview, click on that and click on this option, Facebook post with comments. So this is the post ID. The last thing is the post ID, simply copy that. The next step is, first of all, after that, create the engagement ad. Engagement ad for getting maximum likes, shares and comments. And when you create the engagement ad, put that post ID instead of creating the new one. So simply go to the again ads manager, campaign, click on that and engagement ad. Simply all the things, you can just put the things relevant to you, like the detail targeting, audience and all the things, and then continue. And from here, use this option, use existing post, and then here put and post ID. So simply paste here the post ID that you have copied, post ID and submit. So with that post, your ad will be created. Simply click on the confirm and let this ad run for the 1 to 2 days with $10 at least budget for the 2 days. After spending that amount, you can just close the engagement campaign, and now it's time. If your website traffic is already running, then fine. Otherwise, after closing this engagement ad, uh, activate this website traffic ad for at least 2 to 3 days, and then put the conversion ad. And again, the same strategy for the conversion ad, just put the that website post ID, that ad post ID in the conversion ad, so that we can in this way we can keep all the like, shares and comments and all the things with the same ad. All the just example, all the like, shares and comments for the engagement ad are transferred to the traffic from all the visitors. From that, next to convert, we will uh, put those things in the conversion ad. So in this way, you can with minimum amount you can get maximum amount with the ads, and you will get the uh, results that you desire. So this is the best strategy. I have checked again and again with some of my clients, and this is going to be very effective for your business as well.